Before buying OneVPN, there are 12 things you should know. While it promises secure and private browsing, it's crucial to weigh it against some top competitors to make an informed decision. Let's dive into what makes OneVPN unique and whether it's right for you. First, OneVPN offers strong encryption, but is it enough to compete with other top-tier VPNs like ExpressVPN or NordVPN? With military-grade AES 256 encryption, it ensures your online activity stays private. However, some competitors offer additional security features, such as a kill switch or multi-hop connections, that could provide even more peace of mind. Next thing, OneVPN claims to have a no-logs policy, which is vital if you want to keep your online activity private. However, unlike some of the more well-known VPNs, it hasn't been independently audited. This means, while they claim to not track your activity, there's no official verification. The third thing to consider is server coverage. OneVPN has a decent server network, with a good number of locations worldwide, but when compared to competitors like CyberGhost or Surfshark, their network is somewhat limited. If you need access to specific regions or countries, this might be a limitation. The fourth thing is OneVPN's speeds. While the service offers decent speeds for regular browsing and streaming, they tend to drop a bit when you're connecting to far-off locations. Some competitors maintain high speeds across most servers, making them more reliable for heavy tasks like torrenting or gaming. The fifth thing is its ease of use. OneVPN's interface is clean and simple, but it's not as polished as competitors like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. For beginners, it's easy to set up, but advanced users might find it lacks some features they're used to. Next up is the compatibility. OneVPN supports all major platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, which is standard for most VPNs. However, it doesn't offer as many browser extensions or as extensive router support as other services, which may be a deal breaker for some. The seventh thing is customer support. OneVPN provides 24/7 support through live chat, but user reviews suggest the response time could be better. Some top VPNs have a reputation for quick, helpful support, which could be crucial if you run into any issues. Next, OneVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is a solid offer. However, some of its competitors offer longer trial periods or even free versions, so it's worth comparing your options if you want a no-strings-attached test. The ninth thing is OneVPN's pricing. It's generally affordable, but not the cheapest option available. You'll find better deals with VPNs like Surfshark, especially if you opt for a long-term subscription. The 10th thing is streaming. OneVPN can unblock popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer, but its performance isn't always as reliable as others. VPNs like ExpressVPN have a proven track record when it comes to unblocking content. The 11th thing is the ability to torrent safely. OneVPN supports P2P file sharing, which is a good feature for torrenting. However, it's not as optimized as other VPNs that specifically cater to torrenting traffic with faster speeds and greater privacy. Finally, OneVPN works well for general browsing, but if you're looking for extra features, better speeds, or a wider range of servers, you might want to consider a more established competitor. It's a solid option, but if you're after something more powerful, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. So, while OneVPN could be a decent choice for many users, there are more feature-packed VPNs out there if you're looking for extra performance. Take advantage of free trials and test them out for yourself to find the best fit for your needs.